The importance of ethical use of AI tools in education. No secret that AI has become a big part of modern education. AI tech is penetrating deep into learning environments. It's changing traditional ways of teaching, assessing knowledge, and academic interaction. But along with new opportunities come a bunch of challenges. The latter are directly related to the ethics of AI in education. Misuse of such technologies can lead to a breach of academic integrity. The worst case scenario is a loss of trust between participants in the educational process. That is why the ethical use of AI is not just a technical issue. It is a moral and social responsibility of all participants in the educational space. AI in education. Ethical aspects of use. Modern AI systems really do facilitate the learning process. We are talking about automatic translators, text generators, and educational bots. They help students process information faster, create projects, edit texts, prepare presentations. Still, relying too much on these technologies can be a problem. The ethical considerations of AI are about making sure that technology doesn't take away students' ability to think for themselves. AI shouldn't replace human intellectual effort. Instead, it should be a tool that develops skills. The use of AI without understanding its limitations can lead to a decline in the education quality, an undermining of the academic integrity principles. Tools for checking integrity. The issue of plagiarism has become particularly relevant. This is due to the abundance of internet materials available to students. Thus, they should utilize tried and true methods to guarantee integrity and openness in writing. Papersow's plagiarism checker free is such a practical approach. Identifying textual similarities aids in preventing unethical copying. This online tool is designed specifically to help students check their papers before submission. Thanks to it, students can identify potential similarities and get professional help in improving their own text. The tool works quickly. It has a high level of accuracy. Mentioned features make it an effective solution for those who strive to adhere to the academic integrity principles. Responsibility of teachers and students. The problem of ethical issues in education lies not only in the use of technology by students. Teachers also need to review their approaches. Educators should teach young people about AI. They should do this in the following paradigms. How do algorithms make decisions? Why is it important to verify the accuracy of results? How can bias in data be avoided? In turn, students must realize that AI is not a magic button that does everything for them. It is a tool that must be used wisely, with an understanding of ethical issues in school and personal responsibility. The ability to use technology ethically is becoming part of modern academic literacy. Challenges. Potential threats. 1. If automated systems evaluate work, make recommendations, and create training plans without human involvement, this may diminish the role of the teacher as a mentor. There is a danger that education will become a technical process. Moreover, it will be devoid of ethics and emotion. So, it's vital to keep things balanced. Of course, AI can be a helper, but it shouldn't be a replacement for human interaction. Teachers should stay the ones who set moral standards. 2. AI systems can create texts that look convincing. Yet, they are not always reliable. This raises new ethical issues in education. Namely, how to teach students to distinguish between true information and artificially generated one. Teachers must actively develop the following skills in students: fact-checking, analytical thinking, independent search for sources, Ethical use of AI in this case means fostering a critical attitude towards the results of technology. Benefits of ethical AI implementation in education. Equal opportunities. AI can help students with special needs, in particular, by creating adaptive learning environments. At the same time, the same technologies can exacerbate inequality. The latter will happen if there is no appropriate approach. Data protection. The security of personal data remains one of the main challenges. AI works with a huge amount of information. These are students' grades, behavior, and learning styles. Without proper ethical standards, this information can be misused.